Hi, I'm here to drop off my car.
Oh, hi, Mrs. Florence. We've been expecting you. We'll just get your key from you and we'll take a look at your vehicle.
Okay, here you go.
Now, I noticed that your vehicle is no longer under the manufacturer's warranty. Do you have an extended service agreement with us?
No. Should I?
Well, an extended service agreement could save you a lot of money. Here's a brochure that describes the different plans that we offer. Take a look at that, and in the meantime, we'll see if we can't track down the source of that vibration and the ABS light you were telling us about.
Thanks.
Hi, Mrs. Florence. One of our techs has taken a look at your vehicle, and I'm afraid I have a little bit of bad news.
Uh-oh.
Your rear brakes aren't functioning properly. Your vehicle needs new rear ABS sensors.
What's that going to cost me?
With parts and labor, the total comes to $952.
What? $900? I wasn't expecting to spend that much.
Properly functioning brakes are essential to the safety of your passengers and your vehicle, and it just can't be ignored. And can I just say, this would have been an instance where you really could have benefited from having a Lithia extended service agreement. Did you have a chance to look at the brochure I gave you?
Yeah, I just wish I would have known about them before this came up.
An extended service agreement can save you a lot of money over time. This way, if you run into another major problem in the future, you'll be covered. You'll see that they have several different levels of protection, very affordable rates, with some of the best coverage available. With 4 levels of protection, Lithia's extended service plans offers the convenience of nationwide coverage for authorized service and repairs. So no matter where you are, there's a Lithia service center nearby that'll get you rolling again. The powertrain plan offers great coverage for the engine, transmission, and drive axle, and it even includes a car rental allowance. The next level up, the base plan, gives you all the coverage of the powertrain plan, plus protection for steering systems, front suspension, electrical, brake system, and factory air conditioning. The high-tech plan gives you all the coverage of the powertrain plan, plus protection for high-tech components like ABS, power windows and locks, and more. And the comprehensive plan gives you the finest in-vehicle owner protection. It gives you the same coverage as the powertrain and high-tech plans with added protection for major electrical and mechanical components. And it'll give you the peace of mind that you won't have any unexpected costs like you had today. So we'll get to work on your vehicle and get you back on the road. Okay, Mrs. Florence, we've repaired your vehicle's rear ABS sensors, test drove, and you're ready to go.
You know, I've been thinking about an extended service contract, and I just don't want to get caught off guard again with another huge bill. And these rates really make sense.
Well, the work we did today won't be covered, but should you run into any major repairs, you'll be protected.
Okay, let's do it.
That's a smart move, Mrs. Florence. Let me just get some information into our system, and you'll be on your way with your new coverage.
Thanks. I'll feel a lot better knowing I have some protection.
Let's get your phone number, please.
It's 541-326-8404.